Microbiome-targeted therapies have become a significant focus in drug development, with multiple microbiome-based candidates in early-phase preclinical and clinical development. There is a growing demand for manufacturing capacity suitable for the production of these live biotherapeutic products, or LBPs. The importance of appropriately designed facilities that allow for effective scale-up and commercial manufacture of these microbiome-based products cannot be underestimated as a part of an overall market access strategy. DPS has been privileged to work with several companies leading the way in this emerging modality. We can support your teams in planning out a manufacturing facility to meet your specific needs, supporting the development of your new facility from feasibility to startup. Do you have an LBP project? Contact us today.